Stop using Grok AI right now because the free video generation on it is basically gone. There was no warning, no explanation, but here's the good news. I actually found 3 basic tools you can actually use, which is actually more powerful than that of Grok AI. So recently, the XAI actually made changes in Grok AI, and just like that, the free video generation stopped working, the unlimited usage actually stopped working, but the paywall was actually activated. So if you are creating AI videos on YouTube or even TikTok, I think you are now stuck, right? But on this video, I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. But here's the crazy part, most people don't even know this. You don't even need Grok AI anymore. So I'm going to give you some tools that you actually need now. So the first tool on my list is known as Speaker. This is actually super easy to use. It allows you to create fast video generation. It is even perfect for both shorts on YouTube and on TikTok. And this is actually the best tool for beginners because you just need to give it prompt and it is going to generate it for you, generate a video for you. The second tool I have here is known as Runaway. Now, most people are not aware of this tool. This tool actually gives you more realistic videos, even better camera control, and it is actually used by serious creators. Most creators are actually using this even before now. So tools like Runaway are known for high quality cinematic output and control. So the third one I have here, I've actually mentioned this one on one of my previous video where I showed you guys how to create a cinematic action movie. That was the tool I used on that video, and here I'm saying it again. The third one here is known as Clink AI. This one actually gives you free credits daily. It allows you to create longer video clips, and also it is very consistent in motion. So right now, Clink actually gives you more free usage than most tools you get. So instead of you to depend on your Grok AI alone, in order for you to create your content on either TikTok or YouTube, I think you now have multiple choice. You now have multiple free tools based on what I mentioned here on this video, and you now have better quality options, even more controls, and no single point for failure. There is no reason to fail. So this is actually what most top creators are actually doing now. They use the Speaker AI for quick ideas, to get quick ideas, and they use the Clink AI to create longer videos, longer clips, and also they use the Runaway for final polish of those videos. So if you combine the 3 of them, it's actually going to give you the best quality content. Now, while writing your prompts, you can actually add some words on it like cinematic lighting, ultra realistic, or even 4K quality. Adding these words are actually going to make that video to blow up. We've come to the very end of this video. So if you want more AI tools, even before they become paid, then you need to hit the subscribe button now. Like this video because I actually test them on a daily basis. Subscribe and hit notification bell. See you in the next one. It has always been Daniel. This is Upfix and Channel.